Hello friends, today I will show you how to switch to Google Gemini, which is a new AI-featured Google Assistant, from the old Google Assistant. Without wasting any time, let's move directly to my mobile screen. The first thing you need to do is press and hold the home button. As you can see, currently it is opening the old Google Assistant. Now go to the Play Store or App Store and check whether you have installed Google Gemini or not. If you have not installed it, then install it now and then simply click on Open. Now, as you can see, my Google Gemini is opening. Once it opens, you can see written here how this Google Assistant will help you. It can do all the tasks that the old Google Assistant does. It can also write emails and posts, and it can create a custom image. The most interesting feature is that you can talk to this AI feature assistant live, and it can answer your questions brilliantly. These are the features of this AI assistant that you should know before using it. Alright, friends, now click on Switch. Scroll down and click on Use Gemini. All the steps have been completed. Now you can start using this AI assistant, Gemini. If you found this video helpful, then please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good day.